23 days of juicing for inflammation and hydration. Today, I have a special guest with me today. You will not believe. Guess who it is? Majesty's juicing with me today. Oh my God, that's a special treat. All right, so we're gonna do something really simple today. We're gonna do, matter of fact, show them what we got, Majesty.
Melon and ginger and beet and lime.
All right, you heard him. He said watermelon, ginger, beet, and lime. So I want you to just start putting everything inside of the juicer right here. And we're gonna see how much juice we get now. How much we get. So because we have watermelon, I'm excited to see if we're gonna make 16 ounces of juice, but if we don't, that's fine. It is what it is. We don't need that, because it's gonna do what it do. Y'all see that juicy goodness? That's what I'm talking about. I want to give this watermelon something. I want to give it another try because the last watermelon kind of sucked. So we'll see how this new watermelon is doing. So I think we're done, right? So you can turn it off. So pour it in here, like, because it's stuck in the bottom. So just lift it up and pour it in there. You can take this off. Majesty, this comes off. Right? It comes off. All right, so show them how much juice we got. This will be on the other side. Tell them how much juice we got.
Almost. That's like 500 milliliters.
500 milliliters, and we got about 20 ounces of juice there. So if you guys could see that, 20 ounces of juice right there. I'm so excited. Let's see how this sucker tastes. Get this cup right here. He don't want to taste the juice because he's not about that juice life, so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This right here?
Where is that?
That's the one. That's the one right here, boy. Woo! Let me take this sucker again. Feels good. Woo! It's good. Yeah. Hot diggity dang. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, guys. So, come here, Majesty. So, I want to thank my son for doing this with me. He's so amazing. He wants to use the charger, and I told him that he can't use the charger unless he makes his juice with me. So he did it, and now he's able to charge his phone. Thank you so much, son. Day 14 of 23 days of juicing for hydration and inflammation. Love you guys. Peace.